Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Binomial distribution. 4 coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting 2 heads, at least 2 heads, and at least 1 head? The random experiment consists in tossing 4 coins and observing the number of heads. Let occurrence of heads be treated as success. So P is equal to probability of getting a head is equal to half, Q is equal to 1 minus half is equal to half. Value of P is constant for each coin and the trials are all independent. So Fx is equal to ncx p to the power x into q to the power n minus x. So here 4 is equal to 4cx half to the power x into half to the power 4 minus x because n is 4 here. Probability of getting 2 heads. Putting x is equal to 2, we get f2 is equal to 4c2 half to the power 2 half to the power 4 minus 2 is equal to 6 into 1/4 into 1/4 is equal to 3/8. 2. At least 2 heads means 2 or more than 2 heads, that is 2 or 3 or 4 heads. So probability of at least 2 heads is equal to f2 plus f3 plus f4. So is equal to 4c2 half to the power 2 into half to the power 4 minus 2, that is for getting 2 heads, plus probability of getting 3 heads, that is 4c3 half to the power 3 into half to the power 4 minus 3, plus getting probability of getting 4 heads, that is 4c4 into half to the power 4 into half to the power 0 is equal to 6 into 1/4 into 1/4 plus 4 into 1/8 into half plus 1 into 1 by 16 is equal to 3/8 plus 1/4 plus 1/16 is equal to 11 by 16. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.